To understand why the sky is blue, we first need to understand a little bit about light. Although light from the sun looks white, it is really made up of a spectrum of many different colors, as we can see when they are spread out in a rainbow. We can think of light as being a wave of energy, and different colors all have a different wavelength. At one end of the spectrum is red light, which has the longest wavelength, and at the other end is blue and violet lights, which have a much shorter wavelength. So, why is the sky blue? Here is the short answer. As white light passes through our atmosphere, tiny air molecules cause it to scatter. The scattering caused by these tiny air molecules, known as Rayleigh scattering, increases as the wavelength of light decreases. Violet and blue lights have the shortest wavelengths, and red light has the longest. Therefore, blue light is scattered more than red light, and the sky appears blue during the day. When the sun is low in the sky during sunrise and sunset, the light has to travel further through the Earth's atmosphere. We don't see the blue light because it gets scattered away, but the red light isn't scattered very much. So the sky appears red. You might wonder why the sky doesn't actually look purple, since the violet light is scattered even more strongly than blue. This is because there isn't as much violet in sunlight to start with, and our eyes are much more sensitive to blue. The blue light that gives the sky its color is sufficiently bright to make all the stars that we see at night disappear, since the light they emit is much dimmer. You might also notice that the sky tends to be most vibrant overhead and fades to pale as it reaches the horizon. This is because the light from the horizon has had further to travel through the air, and so has been scattered and rescattered. The Earth's surface also plays a role in scattering and reflecting this light. As a result of this increased amount of scattering, the dominance of blue light is decreased, and so we see an increased amount of white light. That's all from now. See you in the next video.